think we're still using the backpacker.
Yeah. Well, you better. Okay, so we're heading into Swiss Medica's new building. It's still under construction. As you can see, construction workers all over the place. This looks a bit different than the last time we were here.
A lot.
Yeah. So we're on our field trip. Swiss Medica has taken us to see the new building. And here we are. Everything's still under construction. They have a new building, much bigger than the older one, the one we are currently getting our treatment in. It's not ready, but they're hoping that it's going to be ready quickly so that they can start accepting more patients and doing more different types of treatments. Okay, let's see if I can. Putting the floor tilings on over in this area. Very cool. Last time we were here, they gave us a tour too, but it was dark. It was scary, like a Blair Witch Project. Okay. Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you just from this position everything that we were told about the new Swiss Medica hospital in Serbia. So as you can see over here, that's going to be some kind of administration building, and then behind it you see these buildings, 5 buildings over there. Those are living places for families. They're big apartments. There are also going to be rooms in the hospital itself for patients that are older. They don't need to be with their parents, so patients with families will be probably living in those buildings, and patients that come just like a man and wife or alone will probably be living in those rooms. And that's the main medical building. So operation rooms and medical treatment rooms and physiotherapy, all those things will happen inside that building. And it's pretty big. We went inside. You can see in the other videos. It's under construction still. They think it's going to be ready by March or April. We're doubtful. We were here in the summer, and there's definitely been some progress, but it's still under construction. I think it's January right now, so March, April is very optimistic. And that's it for now, I guess.